Let's talk about example 4. What do you think u should be? Oh, Terry, this time you made a mistake. What about the rest of you? Anyone have a guess for you? That's a good guess. Sharon. You want to let u be a function where you see the derivative sitting off to the side, and it makes your integral look easier. So I don't know how to integrate cosine cubed. I only know how to integrate u cubed. So what I can do is I can let u be cosine of t like this. Then du dt is equal to negative sine of t, which means du is equal to negative sine of t dt, or dt is equal to du over negative sine of t. Now I can make my substitution. I have sine of t. I'm going to have u cubed. I'm going to have du over negative sine of t like this. At this point, the signs cancel out. You can pull out the negative in front. You get the integral of u to the negative 3 du. And then the negative stays there. We add 1, so that's going to be negative 2 divided by what we just wrote, plus c. The negative and the negative cancel each other out. You got to sub back. So we end up with cosine t to the negative 2 power times 1/2 plus c. Is there any questions about this, my friends? I think we should try one first. Try classwork 1 here. Yeah, try classwork 1. All right, folks, what'd you have u be? Type your answer in the chat box. What do you think u should be? Okay. Do the rest of you agree with Luciano? I agree, Luciano. What are some reasons why? I can think of 2 reasons why. First reason, I can't integrate square root of anything other than square root of u. If it's anything at all complicated inside, I don't know how to do it. So once I see the square root, pretty much I'm thinking whatever's inside, I need to let that be u. So this is going to be my u. That's the first reason. The second reason is I'm good at taking derivatives inside my head. I can see the derivative sitting off to the side up to a constant. It's not exactly the derivative, but the right power of x is there. And I really need that because I need all my x's to cancel out. So I'm pretty confident that this is the correct choice of u. But I can check. I can take the derivative. I get du dx is equal to, the derivative of 1 is 0. The derivative of negative x squared is negative 2x. And I can solve for dx, right? Du is equal to negative 2x dx. This makes dx equal to negative 1 over 2x, like this. So when I make my substitution, I pray all my x's cancel out. I'm going to get a u to the 1/2. This will be negative 1 over 2x du. I forgot the du here. And lo and behold, the x and the x cancel each other out. That's great for me. I can factor out the negative 1/2 from the out of the integral, and this becomes u to the 1/2 du. Let me pause here for a second. Does anyone have any questions about this process so far? Because after this point, it's easy. The hard part is finding the u and expressing the whole integral in terms of u. Okay. So now I find the antiderivative. That's going to be the negative 1/2 stays there. It's going to be u to the 3/2 times 2/3 plus c. I see that the 2 and the 2 cancel out. I'm going to get up with negative 1/3. My u was 1 minus x squared. And then I'm going to have a 3/2 power plus c. This is my antiderivative. Is there any questions about this? We have time for one more. Try number 2. Oh, we don't have that much time for one more. Try it anyways. This is easier than the first one. This should be the real number 1. You don't have a lot of choice here for what u should be. What do you think u should be, actually? Since we only have 3 minutes left. I agree, Luciano. I realize I should be playing 3, 2, 1, go with the what should you be? And I missed my chance. Stupid. Okay, let's say that you knew that this was your u. Why is this your u? Because integrating this is really hard, but integrating u to the 9th is really easy. So our du dx is equal to negative 2. This makes our dx equal to negative 1/2 du. That makes our integral u to the 9th times negative 1/2 du. I can pull out the negative 1/2. I can integrate the u, that gives me negative 1/2 u to the 10th divided by 10 plus c. I can simplify that to negative 1 over 20. My u is 1 minus 2x, and this is all raised to the 9th power, to the 10th power, plus c. All right, folks. This u substitution is extremely important if you're going to be taking 5B, like extremely important. One of the most important topics to master before taking Math 5B. So let's end things here.